We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for YouTube content creation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website to access ChatGPT. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you need to have a clear idea of the topic you want to create content about. In the ChatGPT interface, you can start by typing a prompt that clearly outlines what you need. For example, you could type generate a script for a YouTube video about the benefits of eco-friendly products. It's helpful to be as specific as possible to get the best results. After entering your prompt, let ChatGPT do its magic. It will generate content based on your request. You can review the output and decide if it fits your needs. If the initial response isn't quite right, you can refine your prompt or ask for modifications until you get the perfect script. Remember, you can ask ChatGPT to include specific sections like introductions, conclusions, or even FAQs. Once satisfied, copy the text and paste it into your document or video editing software. You can then personalize it further by adding your own flair or additional research. Using ChatGPT can save you tons of time and give you creative ideas you might not have thought of. It's like having a writing assistant that can help you brainstorm and structure your content effectively. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.